Welcome to the Autoverse, your hub for iconic vehicles, classic designs, and the finest reviews. Today we are diving deep into the 1972 Citroën DS 23. Pallas is a timeless masterpiece that revolutionized automotive design and engineering. Introduced during the golden era of muscle cars, the DS 23 Pallas carved its niche with elegance and advanced features. Under the hood, it houses a 2.3-liter inline-4 engine producing 101 horsepower. While not a traditional muscle car in terms of raw power, it excelled in refinement, delivering a smooth and responsive driving experience. Paired with a 4-speed manual or optional semi-automatic gearbox, its performance was both efficient and innovative for its time. The exterior design of the DS23 Pallas remains unparalleled, with its aerodynamic, spaceship-like silhouette and iconic floating roof. Its hydropneumatic self-leveling suspension system was a game-changer, providing unmatched ride comfort and adaptability on various terrains. The Pallas trim further elevated the aesthetics with additional chrome detailing, refined paint options, and stylish hubcaps, making it a standout even among its contemporaries. Inside, the DS23 Pallas was a showcase of luxury and innovation. The spacious cabin featured plush leather seats, high-quality materials, and avant-garde design elements. Its single-spoke steering wheel and futuristic dashboard layout provided a unique driving interface, emphasizing functionality and flair. Features like power windows, advanced ventilation, and optional air conditioning demonstrated Citroen's commitment to driver and passenger comfort. The emphasis on sound insulation ensured a serene cabin environment, enhancing the overall experience. Safety and technology were also ahead of the curve. The DS series introduced features like disc brakes on all 4 wheels, first for a mass production car, and a collapsible steering column for improved crash safety. The attention to detail made it a favorite among luxury car enthusiasts and collectors. In today's classic car market, the 1972 Citroën DS 23 Pallas commands a premium, with prices ranging from $30,000 to over $100,000, depending on condition and originality. Its status as a design and engineering icon continues to captivate enthusiasts worldwide. Thank you for exploring this classic with us on the Autoverse. If you enjoyed this look into automotive history, hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more dives into iconic cars and groundbreaking vehicles. Stay tuned for more stories from the world of automobiles.